question. First of all, I have to apologize for coming in late. Our show in Kenya, Nairobi, was late into the night till like 5 a.m. and we couldn't make the 7 a.m. flight. So it was just too many flight problems, so we couldn't come in and we had to come in late. So I completely apologize and I'm really sorry that happened. Back to your question. I just be myself, you know. Anything I do, I just be myself. Just make music, happy, enjoy life. So the difference between me and every other person is that I'm just myself every time. Yeah.
Second. Yes, Mr. Tekno, you are a famous, celebrity. So how did you compare you as Afrobeat with a legend like Fela Kuti? Are you part of, putting your footprints in that legacy? And how did you manage to put up your flag as a Pan-Africanist?
First of all, Fela is a legend, and he is like the originator of Afrobeat. To start with, he's like the first Nigerian that really took music to the other level. So we're all just working, from like the landmark he laid down. So that's what it is. But I came with my sound. My sound is completely different from Fela's sound. But I will still record music that sounds like Fela because I love Fela. Do you understand? But my sound is my sound, and by the grace of God, I'll leave my own legacy.
Thank you, Tekno, to be in Rwanda. I'm Boskizo Fatakomavutako from CFM or Contact TV. I would like to know, or I would ask you to compare your music career and your music production. Yeah, that's my question.
Oh, like the difference between my production and me recording as an artist. Oh, they go together. Do you understand? Even when I have different people produce music for me, I still end up adding my own creativity to it. So the production and the recording and the performing, they all go together. It's like one body. It's like a full musician. You see me?
All right, we'll take one more question, please.
Thank you. I'm called Andrew Shine from KG Radio. Thank you, welcome home. This is home, Kigali. People have been welcome. Waiting for you this morning.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, your first time coming to Rwanda, what are you going to give Rwandans? That is one. The second thing, you definitely are from Africa, from Nigeria. Did you ever listen to Rwandan music? At least that, like, when I go to Rwanda, there's something that musically. Yeah. Thank you.
I like to be very honest. I don't lie. I've never listened to a Rwandan song. I don't like to lie, but I'm open to working with every Rwandan artist that's out here and doing great music and taking African music to the world. You see me? You understand? So it's like, it's what it is. I personally don't really listen to a whole lot of music, so I haven't really heard a Rwandan song. But I'm in Rwanda now, so definitely I will vibe to Rwandan music, and hopefully I will link up with one or two of the artists and knock some out.